Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Wait, so we're not doing the route I thought of? Just kidding, what do you want to do?
It's an adventure bike. It's something we've never done.
Oh yeah, today?
Yes.
Okay, what?
And we're gonna call it the heavy breakfast.
Okay, it's a great idea.
It's someplace in the Vanillad area, but we'll find it somehow without our GPS maps.
Oh yeah, okay.
Alright?
Alright, you lead the way, Gene.
It's called the heavy breakfast.
No GPS, none of that stuff.
And you guys are such downers. So are we riding today?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's go. We're riding. Morning. Morning. Oh. I didn't realize this was the route to Pakapoy sa Panoypoy. Shout out Alan. Today, in this tour, we can check out two gravel-ish sections. The first section features a rusty old bus.
Yay!
Yeah, perfect.
Go there.
Perfect for your bicycle portraits, your... And then the second section kay... Morning, boss. Long gravel road with crazy views. Morning, boss. Shit.
It sound right, boy.
Going for the super nice. No, practicing for the new bike. He won't even bike check his beloved Jamis Renegade.
I'm willing to bike check. Who said I won't?
Huh? You said.
It's a 2018 Jamis Renegade Exile. All stock except for the wheels and the saddle and the bar tape.
And then the hardened HTFU Claris group set.
Yeah, 5034 in the front, 1132 in the back. That's about it. Had this guy for almost 2 years. No, for over 2 years. Feb 2019.
And then. And you love this
We
guy.
have had some good times together. No?
It's gravel time! Gravel! Ah! Okay. Let's go, let's go.
I have seen it all!
Yeah, they're flying planes. I wonder if I can get some footage.
They're actually really big.
Or it's not landing. Wow. That was a nice one. Really? Oh, it is kahoy no? Susod.
Kana siya foam kanina binuhat ra ni.
Mo ba?
Oh, binuhat ra na.
Really?
Oh,
Tingnan ko good.
foam ra nag packaging tape.
Nya sa kakakuha sa design sa internet narang adto.
Oh, na sa internet. Kuha ra kag mga kuan. Over ako hover.
No?
Oh.
Lingawa.
fly out sa namin. Oh, kaya ang 415 niya, fly out sa 450, ako 100.
Let me know when you guys want to go. Let's go now. Don't really know. You'll see it.
It sound right, boy.
Okay, right green. There we go there.
It's a white mocha Americano, venti na grande, with only 4 pumps of white mocha.
4 pumps of white mocha.
Because a venti gets you 5 and it gets too sweet. So it's basically 4 pumps white mocha, 4 shots of espresso, a little milk and ice all the way.
4 shots of espresso.
It's commonly known as a barista's drink.
Oh, commonly known as a barista's drink. Okay.
I was in grade school.
A proper chill ride always ends with coffee. So good ride with Gino and Gerald. So the ride by the numbers, shout out Dustin Klein. 30.94 kilometers, 1 hour, 59 minutes and 12 seconds moving time with 458 meters of elevation gain. It's pretty hot. Let's go inside. No boring days, please subscribe.
It sound right, boy.